She's looking all right. Could be better. So I think this is gonna be my first video. If not, it'll be my second. I'll post a cold start before this, maybe. But this is my M235i. It's a 2015. It's full bolt-on, stage 2. It's on E30, so it's making good power. It has a trans tune on it, stage 3 trans tune. So tons of fun, sounds great. This is gonna be my first POV drive. And I'll be heading to Woodward in Michigan. So if you don't know what Woodward is a street in Michigan. It's in the avenue. It's the first paved street in America. Basically, it's a big street for just cars in general because Ford, GM, and Dodge would all test and race their cars on that street all night long. Way back in the day, they would test their cars, race them against each other, all sorts of stuff. There used to be races out there, now they don't allow it, obviously cops and stuff. New residents. Still a nice area. Whenever there's not a car meet, whoa, you can always trust that if it's a nice day out in the middle of summer, there's gonna be people out on Woodward. Pretty close by, so I just started while I was in a parking lot. We're about, I'd say 8 minutes away maximum. And you'll see instantly when we get there, the change in like the cars and everything. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, it's a bunch of regular traffic here right now, but give it just a few minutes and it'll be crazy. Windows are off, messed up. I just washed the car. Especially in the middle of summer, like around August, because there's a Woodward Dream Cruise. You can go out there any day. It's nice, and it'll be nice cars out all the time. But usually it's just on the weekends. People are out, you know, because everyone's got work and stuff. But the Woodward Dream Cruise is the biggest cruise in the world. It brings about 40,000 nice cars out every year. I think that's at least what I looked up. That's what I saw. About 40,000 cars, big ass cruise. So it's plenty of fun. It's a nice place to cruise anytime when you're up there. There's plenty of people on the road. There's plenty of people parked over that you can go and talk to and meet. You know, it's like the biggest unorganized car meet you'll ever find. It's a nice little drive. I'll roll down the windows when I get there and it's gonna be fun. Sounding good today. Man, she sounds good. Get over a few lanes. Don't know what that was, but I hear it loud and clear. G80 at the gas station. Hellcat. Like, again, I don't know how it's picking up because I've never filmed this late where it's this dark, but I'm assuming it's all right. But there's some nice stuff out. I don't know if you guys have been able to see. All these cars have been kind of a distance away, so it's not that easy to see. I'm gonna get into this lane. Okay, or you can take my lane. Whoa. You can already hear stuff flying by. It's wild out here. Not as many people out tonight because it was raining earlier. The street's not wet, but it's not necessarily dry too. no puddles or anything like that, but it's nice and humid, and you know, not everyone's gonna like that type of weather. That fox body's nice. I'm sure you guys can't see it, but it's nice. Wilbur seems mighty quiet tonight. Must have been a meet. And there's a bus in front. So as you can see, there's people on the side just watching. Some of them are also getting ice cream, so that's what they're there for, but there's a good amount watching. So there's people out for sure, but like up here, there's people watching. Oh shit, there's a puddle. So there are a few puddles. But it's not bad. See right here, this is where all the cars are usually at as well. Oh yeah, there's people out. Look over there. Holy shit. People right here. So it's not really alive on the street right now. There's people parked. See if I could just run through one of these locations and show everything. I'm sure they're parked somewhere up here, either at this gas station or the little parking lot near it. If there's one spot that's gonna be popping, it's gonna be this spot that I'm going into right now, for sure. It already sounds like there's people revving over there, so pretty sure it's popping. Oh my God, is that my brakes? Oh yeah, so there's people over here. I'm gonna try and beat my social anxiety and come through with the GoPro camera on. Which way is this dude going? Okay. A bike, that's nice. There's tons of people out, so this is more of what I was expecting. There's tons of people. Shit, let me buy.
How have you been?
Oh, how you doing, bro?
Good, it's good seeing you.
Hell yeah. Yeah, there's hella people out. I'll head back here later. Get a little content.
I saw something over there. I said I'm not 100%.
Yeah, there's a lot of things out. I'm just gonna go, bro. Loud ass burbles. So yeah, this is a popular spot right here. What's up? Yeah, it's a popular spot. I'll come back to it, show off all the cars and stuff, but right now I want to get some of the road stuff. Oh no, he just shot black smoke all on my car, bro. You're joking. How can I get over there and get all the content? Here we go. Mustang sounds good. Damn, bro. I'm gonna put it in automatic mode. There's a few cops around. Be careful of that puddle, brother. He did not care. What a G. That was fun. That was fun. Oh, the cops are shutting it down. Nah, I'm not gonna go. I showed up too late. How did I know that was gonna happen? Since it's the most popular spot, it does get shut down the fastest. I should have known, bro. Should have went over there while I could. Straight gunshots, bro. Oh my God. Where is this in front of me? M550? Yup, it is. Oh, I know this dude. Haha. Oh shit, bro. Let me chill, bro. Not really. I ain't chilling, bro. I don't know who I'm kidding, bro. My ass is not chilling. Someone got flashed behind me, flicked.
He got caught doing a slide.
Did he?
Oh, what up, Hubby?
What's good, bro?
What's good? He got caught doing a slide.
Damn. Bro, I thought I got flicked. That's crazy, bro. I should not have done that pull. Dog.
What's good? And how it sound?
Bro, it sounds good, bro. What's up?
How do you see?
I just see, bro. I got eyes everywhere, bro.
That's crazy. My bad.
What's good? You want to get in? Come on, get in. Oh shit. Passenger princess?
Why did you sit in this car?
I got hoes, bro. This my boy.
Get the fuck out.
I know he's parking.
I ain't even get a dap up, Tony, bro. Come on, bro. Like,
I'm sorry, Zach. There's a
bro.
lot of shit going
Hey,
on.
YouTube.
Hey.
I'll be back on another video.
yeah, I can see, bro. Bro, I
Looking like this way, like
no, bro. I always have hair in front of my face, bro. I'm used to it.
I feel that.
So, bro, I can see on it. You know how like when you put your finger in front of your face, like you can see on this, like you can still see through it, kind of.
Hey, bro, can you see in the middle of my palm?
Ladies and gentlemen,
A bit of it, yeah.
A bit of it. You're gonna hit a little deer.
I hope so.
I want a demonstration what's real carbon, what's fake carbon. This is real carbon. Look power.
Yep, flashlight. Look at it. It's just glistening, bro.
No, yeah. There was a bagged Audi over there that was fucking lowered and it had a fake carbon lip.
Hey, can I record, bro?
I'm recording, bro.
Hey, YouTube. He coming, my boy. Hey, YouTube. We back. Oh my God. No, YouTube.
720S. Damn.
God damn. Let me hear it, please.
Grab it. She's sitting real nice though. Can't fit your finger under. Yeah, bro. What's good, bro? Hell yeah, bro. I'm wearing this shit. I don't even care no more. Fuck it, bro. I had social anxiety yesterday. I don't have it today. Sup, thugs?
Bro, look up in this car, bro. Look up.
What's good, bro?
Look up. Look, show your viewers.
Damn, bro. You got the
Right?
stars, bro. Oh my God, bro. I need that in my car, but my roof don't work, bro. My roof a little bit different.
Fucking roof.
On God, bro. That should be disappearing sometimes. It's kind of weird.
Hey, YouTube, subscribe to my OnlyFans.
What the? Oh, hell nah.
Cut that out.
I ain't cutting that shit out, bro. Am I getting in the way?
Get the fuck out.
So this is Tony's car. It's got a VQ, full bolts on. This shit spews crazy flames. I'm hoping he'll show it later.
This car is.
I'm hoping he'll show it later. It's not stock. It's full bolts on.
This car is, bro.
Bro,
Hey,
look at the exhaust, bro. He burnt the shit out of that exhaust. I'm surprised his bumper isn't gone. The car looks so good. I can always appreciate this car under the gas station light. It always looks so good. Oh, he's shooting flames. He shot like a single flame. I thought the gas station would have been more full by now, to be honest.
Wait, you hit the POV drives?
Oh yeah, I just did that this whole time. Yeah. Damn. Baby Gabs.
Hood rat shit.
You wanna see some hood rat shit? You make the hood rat shit. What are you talking about? I like this generation when they're done right. You just don't see a lot like modded up. You know it's
Hi,
true.
Alan. Alan, you know you're the best security out. You don't even fuck with me, you.
No,
Man, fuck.
you do not give a fuck about you, bro.
Right now. Bro, I'll be the bad guy.
Hell yeah, you would be. You're always the bad guy, bro.
What's it called? You have a sunroof? No.
Yeah, I have a big ass sunroof, bro.
Just to your dash.
No way he's rejecting the fucking. No way he's rejecting the C8. No way, it's a Z06.
Z06?
It's a Z06, bro.
Sounds good too.
Dude, that power hole's bad.
Bro, that pothole fucked me up. I'm lying. Right here.
That pothole, yeah.
Hey, you gotta go get a close-up view of it, bro.
Close up view of the pothole. I don't know if I like being close to a street where they're doing pools. No, that shit's horrible, bro. That's Michigan for you. That's not even the worst one, nearly.
No way you let the Jeep in.
He didn't. He just went on the other side.
Regular traffic.
Oh, he let him in because he's actually getting gas.
I'm getting gas.
Hell no, you're not. You don't need gas, bro. You're just gonna burn it out with that fucking flame tune. Say it to the camera. Your car's stock.
My car is stock.
With a 2.
What the fuck is
Oh
that?
my God, come on. I'm about to bust.
I'm going over there. I need content. Big Z01.
500 and the Z06.
And a GT500. That's nice. Oh my God. Damn. Satin gray. Frozen gray. Always looks good.
That shit fucking hard as fuck. No plate, no chase game. What is this? Isn't this like a C4?
C5. C5.
I like the mixed up.
It sounds like a fish tank.
Damn.
5.0. Bikes coming through. Damn, bro. I know he's pissed. Damn. Wait, quit playing with him, bro. Quit playing with him. Quit playing with him, Tony.
Alright, catch me another YouTube video. Your boy.
Nigga, it's gonna be that long?
Hell yeah.
No, you ain't getting no views. Wait, hold up, he's coming back. He's spinning back. Hold on, do it again. Hey!
Where you going?
I'm going away.
Oh.
I'm not going all the way home, but
Oh, okay.
I'm just driving around.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, the Money Attraction shirt. Okay. I see the Money Attraction shirt.
Oh. Oh, it's good. You gotta let her know.
Hey, I like your shirt. Where'd you get that from? Oh. Damn, brother, you're not even gonna wait? You're not even gonna wait to spit flames, bro? I can already smell it, bro. I can already smell the flames. Smell the gas. I know. And this Camaro really is loud, huh? Holy shit. Oh my God. Bro. Oh my God. Oh. Dude. Alright, that's wild. Okay. Okay. This guy, bro. They shut down the place we were just at. We left just in time. I want to get behind him. Bro, that shit is wild, bro. I swear he's damaging my car with that shit, bro. Again, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Holy shit. Dude, I don't want to get in the other lane, bro. I don't want to be next to it anymore. Dude. I'm so far back, this truck got behind me, bro. Or in front of me. I don't want to get closer, bro. I don't want those flames in my face, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, you better chill out, cops. You don't understand. Like it's like an actual. If you've never been around a car that shoots flames like that, you don't know. Like it's actually like a bomb. Like it's not just like it's flamethrower. It's like it's not like shh. Like it's straight up like you feel the explosion, bro. God. Nah, I'm not getting any closer, bro. Dude. Tony's insane, bro. I'm gonna have to blur out his plate for sure. That was underwhelming, bro. His car is just so much more crazy, bro. I wonder how it feels on the inside, man. Like, there's no way that feels good. Nah. Here this guy goes, bro. Bro, he needs to chill out, bro. Bro, people are sleeping, bro. It's a Friday night. Someone's trying to get sleep. God. I know those people are like, what the hell? Tony's a crazy guy, though. I don't know how long he can go without doing that. Bro, he's peeking out at me from his back seat, bro. Not from the back seat, from the back window, bro. He's got his seat all the way back. Usually our cruisers are bigger than this, but yeah. Hey, Tony! Here we fucking go. Okay, thank God. I said let's go to Potbelly. Oh, shit! Nah, I gotta get away. Don't do it! Oh, thank God. Can't even do a ride-through, bro. There's too many cars. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight across here. We're gonna park in the back. I don't really care to be seen right now. Bro, how does it feel in your car, bro?
It shakes my whole fucking car.
Bro.
I'm scared sometimes.
Bro, I bet. I fucking.
Bro, I'm like, God.
Bro, I thought you fucked up my car because you were so. When I was right beside you.
God's angle.
Huh?
God, it's angled. Bro, why the fuck is it so hard to get in here, bro? It feels like fucking Forza.
I know, bro. It's never been this hard, huh?
What the fuck? America.
This spot's gonna get ruined. Literally everybody and their mama out here, bro. Everybody looking, bro. It's funny as hell, bro. I ain't got no shame, bro. TRX? Or no, that was a Raptor. This is it. Yeah, another Raptor. Not a Raptor. Whoa, brother. I'm trying not to curb my wheels or hit them here. I'm glad they didn't go too hard though, because it is raining. That was kind of dumb for me to encourage that, huh? Yeah, I'm done with my fun.